All right, guys. Let's see. So that was the first example, the perimeter length width one. So our second example is dealing with the trapezoid. So here's the formula for the trapezoid. Area equals 1/2 height plus, and there's two b's here because if you look at a trapezoid, there's two sides, right? The base one and base two, whichever one you want to call it. But there's two of those to a trapezoid. And the height is that part there. And that's all we need. So let me write it here instead. So the area is 1/2 height times quantity base 1 and base 2. And the area is 210. So I'm just going to plug things in. So 210 equals A. 1/2, our height is 10, so plug that in. And then our big B is 27. Okay, so after you plug everything in, you have to solve for what's left. So the little base is what we're looking for. So let's just go through. We can do 1/2 of 10. So 5, B plus 27 to get us started. And then using distributive property, I have 210 equals 5b, and then on the side I'll do 27 times 5. So 35 plus 135 is 27 times 5. And once we do that, let's see, we need to take 135 over, and we do that by doing the opposite operation. So on one side, it cancels out because it's itself and its inverse. So I have 5b. And then on the other hand, I have to subtract. So bear with me. So that's 20 and 7 and let's see. Yeah, that should have been taken over. So 75. So 75 equals 5b. So if I divide by 5, then I get b is equal to, let's see, 5 goes into 7 once, and then 5, 5, 25. So our base, our little base is 15. So we want to check, right? So plug in 15 here. We do 27 plus 15. So that'll give us 42 times 5. 42 times 5 is 210. So we know that we did that question correctly. Okay, so that's that one. The next one is a farmer has 800 meter of fencing to enclose a rectangular field. The width is 50 meters less than the length. Find the dimension. So we have all the information that we need, right? So we have a rectangular field. We know that. And total amount of fencing is 800 meters. And fencing, mind you, we go around the perimeter, right? You don't fence the entire area, you just fence the perimeter. And the additional information is whatever we say the length is, the width is equal to 50 meters less than the length. So it's going to be less minus 50. Okay, and then we can set this up. So using what we did before, so twice the length plus twice the width equals perimeter. And we know that the perimeter is 800 meters. So 800 is equal to twice the length plus twice the width. But width, we know of the width in terms of the length. So I'm just going to write length minus 50. Okay, and so now we have an equation with one variable and we can solve. So let's distribute first. So 800 is equal to 2L, and I'm going to distribute. So this 2 goes to the L, so 2 times L minus 50 times 2, so 100. So combining like terms, we get 800 equals 4L minus 100. So we add 100 to both sides. And so we get 900 equals 4L. And final step, if we want to solve for L, we divide by 4, divide by 4. L equals 900 divided by 4. So let's find out what that is. 900 divided by 4. 4 goes into 9 twice. 8. So I have 10. And then 4 goes into 10 twice. So we have 8, and then 20, and 4 goes into 25 times. So this is 225. And we can check, right? So 225 is my length. So my width is 225 minus 50. Okay, so in other words, it's 100 and, let's see, minus 575. Okay, so if we want to check, we need to do double 225, so it's 450. And we need to double 175, so that is, let's see, 175, 175, 15, and 350. So when we add these two together, we get 800. So we know that we did that correctly. Okay, so that's the next example.